You can step in the same river twice. This quote reminds us that change is not an exception. It's the rule. People, environments, relationships, thoughts, and even our own identities evolve constantly. The person who steps into the river is also different the second time, shaped by the first experience, however subtle that change may be. Everything is in motion. Trying to cling to the idea of permanence of moments, of people, of circumstances is like trying to hold water in your hand. Volatility isn't just a feature of life, it's very nature. So often we strive for control, we want things to stay good, familiar, safe, and expecting things to remain the same setups for frustration. This idea can be disorienting, even frightening, but it also offers freedom. If things are always changing, then difficult moments too are temporary. If we're always growing, then failure doesn't define us, it refines us. Volatility becomes the backdrop of all growth and transformation. You can step in the same river twice. It's also a meditation on the uniqueness of each moment. Know how matter the similar the scene, you can never recreate a moment exactly as it was. That is the sorrow and the beauty of life. It's why we cherish memories, why nostalgia is bittersweet, and why presence, truly living is the now, is so vital. Every interaction, every sunrise, every breath you take is unrepeatable. It invites us to be present, to pay attention, and to live with the awareness that quite the same way. If life is the river, then we too must flow. Let us not fear change, but accept it as the essence of being alive. Let us stop chasing permanence and instead grow with the current, change with the tides, and see volatility not as a threat, but as a teacher. Because in truth, life isn't meant to be stepped into twice. It is meant to be experienced moment by moment, fully, deeply, and without resistance.